Looking for the best outdoor Christmas lights? It may be hard to determine which one is the best available. I've made this a little easier for you by covering one of the best outdoor Christmas lights you can currently find on the market. Currently, the Hezbjiti Multicolor 1000 LED Christmas fairy lights is one of the best in the market today. What I like about this outdoor Christmas light is that it has a built-in memory chip that saves your last mode setting without having to reset the mode every day. You'll appreciate the timer function. String lights will be 6 hours on and 18 hours off. IP44 waterproof grade, perfect for outdoor use without any damage, including heavy rain and snow. You can decorate every place with 1000 LED light strings, according to your preference, and this is the specifications of the product. Here's what other features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.